What's going on, guys? Welcome to FB Studios. I'm Fabian, and I am glad to bring and to introduce to you guys our new line of FB Studios YouTube tutorials. We will be bringing these tutorials to you straight on our YouTube channel. We're going to help everyone from the beginner to the advanced photographer. We're going to talk about everything from lighting and modifiers to building custom sets and to working with elements, even fire. So, while I got your attention, please hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and if you're on Instagram, follow us at FB Studios. And if you're visiting the Atlanta area and you're looking for a studio home to shoot in, come check us out. That is what we're here for. Until next time, guys, see you later. God bless.